So, you are planning to record your running with your Gopro7 Black. The question is, which speed should I choose? Today I'm going to share your footage for you if you're planning to record your running with your Hero 7 Black. Here are the footage. This is me recording with the Hero 7 Black while running. As you can see, the above footage a bit shaky compared with the other one. So, which speed should you choose? There you are. Set the speed to 15 times or 30 times if you want a stable footage while running. Bear in mind, if you choose a high speed, it will drain your battery faster. More speed, more power. This is the body strap that I use. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, click like and share if you like this video. Give a comment below. Until next time, be positive. Assalamualaikum.